Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Spring FabFitFun unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then keep watching. So this is the box for the spring. It is supporting the Ian Somerhalder Foundation, which from the inside of this box and reading about it, they pretty much just help everyone in the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. I had no idea he even had a foundation. So I opened the box, obviously, when it came. This is the inside of the box. I'm going to set it down and get the magazine out because that's on my bed. And we'll get into the goodies. So if you're living under a rock and don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service that is $49.99 a season. I always want to say a month, but it's per season. So you got 4 boxes a year, and every box is like beauty and lifestyle related. Beauty is anywhere between makeup. I've gotten palettes, lipsticks. They give like setting powders and stuff. They do skincare, all that stuff. And then lifestyle, they give like fashion items, jewelry, workout equipment. It's really fun. They give like kitchen stuff too. I really like it, and I really think it's worth every penny. Every season when a box comes out, they have a day called Customization Day where you get to choose between a couple of items. So I'm going to show you the items that I chose, and then we'll get into the items that were a surprise. So I was able to choose 3 items. So let me start with the first one. The first item is this deluxe demi backpack, and this retails for $75. The other options I could have chose instead of this backpack are the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe, and that retailed for $84, which is ridiculous because I don't wear robes. I don't think robes should be that expensive, so obviously that's why I didn't pick it. Or an unplugged meditation aromatherapy diffuser, and I have a aromatherapy diffuser. I have 2 actually, so I really didn't think I needed a third one, and I would use the backpack the most, so that's why I chose that. Duh. Well, this bag feels really nice. This is the 3rd bag I've received from FabFitFun. I got a clutch, a tote, and then this is a backpack. I really like this is canvas, and then this is vegan leather. There are snaps on the side. I did snap them just because I think that's really cute. So the opening, when you close the flap, it's not like someone can just stick their hand in, which I really like. There's just like a little pocket right up here, and it's pretty deep. I think it's good. It's good enough for me. I really personally like backpacks because if you didn't know, I nanny for a job, and I like to bring a backpack with me. That way I can have all my important stuff like my wallet, my keys and phone and all that, and I can also just throw in some extra things like if I want to pack a snack or my Kindle. I always carry my Kindle with me, so I personally like the little backpack trend that's going on, and I'm super excited for this because I am going away at the end of the month, so this is going to be perfect for the plane. And yeah, I really am excited for this bag. And it came with this little duster bag, which I think FabFitFun just does, because the other 2 bags came with this as well, which I really like. I love the duster bags because, I don't know, I just like to keep my bags in the duster bags. The next item that I was able to choose were these Key Australia My Girl in Black Smoke sunglasses, and they retail for $55. So I'm really excited for these. I've always wanted Key sunglasses. I just never got them because, I mean, they're kind of pricey, but I also have Ray-Bans, so I really can't talk. But these I just thought were really, really cute. And the other thing is why I never went to get these is because they're only in Nordstrom's or online, and I don't really like going online for especially something like glasses, and I don't have a Nordstrom's like close by, so that's just why also. But these are really, really cute. I really like the shape. The other choice were the Key Australia Vivian sunglasses, and those are more of an aviator style, which I have aviators already. We were also able to choose a picnic set, which what would I do with a picnic set? Or a Carez Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Facial, Sleeping Facial. And I didn't pick that because I got something else from Carez and I hated it. So I went with the sunglasses again. These will be perfect for my trip as well. I'm really excited, and I love this case. You just pop it open like that, and I just think that's so nice. And these sunglasses feel really just nice and like luxurious, and I like that they're silver. And oh my gosh, I'm having a moment, but these are really, really cute, and they feel like nice. Like, they're not gonna break. They're not cheapy sunglasses, which I really like. The last item that I was able to choose is this Livido Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot, and this retails for $19. I was able to choose between this, a mystery item, or gold copper-plated measuring spoons. Not gold, copper. And I went with this because why not? This smells really nice. I really like the smell. I really like the mandarin orange. It's mandarin comma orange. It's not mandarin orange. And bergamot. I had a mask with pretty much all those same ingredients. It smells really nice. And this just also sounds like it's going to be really nice and relaxing to use after a shower. So very excited. Next, we're on to the items that were all a surprise for me. So first we have the Sip by Swell water bottle, and this retails for $19.99. The other things I could have received were the Two Bandons Athens necklace or a Ciate London Extraordinary translucent setting powder. So I'm really, really excited that I got this water bottle. This is one of those hot, cold water bottles. So excited for this. I kind of want to try it out for like my iced coffee in the morning and see how that goes. I really like the color that I got as well. It feels really nice. This is a 15-ounce bottle. Yeah, 15-ounce bottle. So that's a lot of water that I'll probably also be drinking. The next surprise item that I got was this Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, and this retails for $28. The other options that I could have received were a Daily Detox Brush from Daily Concepts or Jump Rope from 11 by Venus, which I'm really excited I got the cleanser because I can always use a cleanser. I'm actually almost running out. This is 6.7 fluid ounces and it's a pretty big size. This says that it removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. So I'm really, really excited to put this to the test with the makeup because sometimes that's not always true. And then next are items that everyone received in the box. So first is this Way Leave-In Conditioner, and this retails for $26. I'm very, very excited for this product. I've always wanted to try Way, so very exciting that I got it in my box. And it just sounds really, really good. This helps to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties. And it has heat protection in it. So I will definitely let you guys know how this goes because it sounds really nice. And I actually just ran out of my leave-in conditioner the other day. So this just arrived right on time. Next, we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This retails for $42, which is insane. You only get 0.5 ounces or 15 grams, which is like nothing for $42. And this helps with under eye bags and dark circles. So this actually sounds nice because I do have dark circles, but they're kind of like natural dark circles. But I'm definitely going to try it out, see how it goes. Eye cream is like the one thing I just slack on. I just don't use under eye cream, whatever. I'm just always slacking in that department. And then the last thing that everyone got in their box is this Monica Dar Champagne Body Scrub, and this retails for $24. To be honest, I totally thought this was going to be a candle because just from the top, like the lid, it looks like a Bath and Body Works candle. Just when I saw it at first, because I haven't watched any unboxings, I've tried to avoid them because I kind of like to be surprised and stuff. But this sounds really, really nice. It helps detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate the skin. And you just buff away your dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced, moisturized skin. So this sounds really good. So the total value of the spring box can be anywhere between $226.99 to $314. My box came out to a total of $288.99. I think it is totally worth it because you only spend $50. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I would love to hear. If you guys want any reviews on any products, let me know in the comments down below and I will do any reviews. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.